Man, you guys have been asking for it, and it is here. Look at this beauty. 2023 Yamaha Raptor 700R SE. Limited edition, special edition. Super cool. And I mean, everybody loves Raptors, right? Yamaha proven off-road performance. Who does not want a 686cc four-wheeler with a clutch? I mean, it is just beautiful. I'm not going to take this thing for a long spin. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about this bike and why they are so awesome. First and foremost, clutch. I mean, it just gets up and goes. This is the ultimate four-wheeler, and I just absolutely love these things. Tons of power. Oh, just look at that thing go, man. Just so cool. So 422 pounds. It's got 9 inches of travel in the front, 10 inches in the rear, and this thing is just meant for whatever you throw at it. Oh man, don't you want it? Just a 5-second ride video of telling you how awesome this thing is. 700 cc's, clutch operated, it has reverse, 422 pounds, got these little special wheels on it which are rad. They've been making these things for a long time, and I just feel like they just get better and better. You know, I'm not gonna be on it for too long, but I just wanted to crank her up and show you what she's all about. I'm actually going to bring her out on the showroom, and so you guys can come in and get her, because I know she will not last long. And we got tons of cool stuff in here right now. Tons of side-by-sides that we're working on at the moment. Rod over here has been working really hard pumping these things out for you guys, and we have some really good inventory, probably the best inventory we've had in a long time. Just finally starting to have stuff come in, and it is awesome, and we're super excited for it. Thanks for watching, guys, and y'all stay awesome.